Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a quick video with you on how to customize an image. So I'm going to kind of show you the problem that I ran into and how I would fix something like this. So I'm actually trying to make a banner for 4th of July tomorrow, and on the thumbnail on Creative Fabrica, the image looked like this, but when I downloaded the image, it is just like a black SVG file, which is totally fine. It's still usable, but I wanted to show you guys how I would fix something like this. I want the exact colors that they showed on the thumbnail. This is what I want to print onto my banner. So I always work in squares when I create designs. So I'm going to do a 2000 by 2000. Just a quick rundown on my preset details. It is supposed to be at 300 resolution, CMYK color, and the background is white. This is the correct color profile, and then my pixel aspect ratio is in square pixels, and then I'm just going to click create. So I'm going to drag the actual PNG file that I want to edit. The reason why I wouldn't use, I'm going to drag the color palette on here too. I'm just going to press return on my keyboard, and it should let me drag color in here. Okay, so the reason I am still going to use this image rather than the color image is because, one, this color image has a white background connected to it, as you can see here. And not just that, but you can tell how like blurry it is, and if I were to cut this, it would cut very jagged. It would just be too much editing, and I don't want to do that. I want to do a quick little edit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I just need to grab two colors. I need my blue and my red, and then I'll grab this red just in case, but it looks the same. So all I did was press the I on the keyboard for eyedrop, and then I clicked my blue and my red. So if I go over to swatches, now I have my blue and my red. See these? I don't know. Are these the same color? I don't know. I would have to look at the number. Okay, so now I'm just clicking V on my keyboard to get back to my little pointer here. And I'm pretty much done with choosing the colors. So I'm pretty much done with this image here. I'm going to go back to my higher quality image, and I'm just going to shrink it down a little bit. You want to make sure you have it selected. And I'm just going to scale it down. I love to work with a little bit of margin space here. Okay, so the only things I need to color are the stars and these two little stripes here. So I have this for reference. The top stars are blue and the bottom star. So that's all that's going to be blue. So what I'm going to do with Photoshop, of course, there are a million different ways that you can do things. This is just how I do them. I'm going to test something really quick, and if it doesn't work, I might cut this part out. So I'm going to get the paint bucket tool. I'm going to click on the blue and rasterize this. Just click enter. Okay. So there. That's way quicker than what I was going to do, actually. Okay. And then I'm going to go to the red and paint those stars and these as well. And then I'm going to go back to the blue and click on that. And that's it. That's all you do. So I'm going to center this to my canvas. Okay. And then I'm going to make sure that the background is off because I will be printing this on my DTF printer. I'm not going to print it from here. This is just the image I'm using, and I'm going to put it onto a canvas that is the actual size of my printing paper. So I'm going to go to export, quick export as. So I'm just going to save it onto my desktop and save it as Liberty Color High Quality and click enter, and that's all. So I'm actually going to show you guys, if you wanted to put like glitter or something, you would still actually use the method that I use. So let me show you guys that really quick. So if I wanted these stars to be glitter, like blue glitter or something, I'm going to copy, which is Command C on a Mac, and I'm going to paste with Command V. I'm going to place this layer of stars that I want glitter, and I'm going to hover it right over the other stars. Okay. Okay, so here is my blue glitter. I'm going to scale it down to these stars. And this is, you don't have to scale it down to the stars, but just how do you want your glitters to look? So I think this is perfect. You can scale it afterwards. So let me label this blue glitter so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to move this layer right above glitter stars. This is the actual blue glitter, and I'm going to select on blue glitter and hit the Option key on my keyboard and just kind of place my mouse right in between these two layers. So until you see this thing, then you click it. And there you have blue stars. So if you were going to do sublimation or print on your DTF printer, this is how I kind of put textures, or if I'm doing mock-ups like on my cake toppers. I have a Selena cake topper where everything was digital. I didn't have to actually make the product, but I knew that I had those glitter cardstocks and everything in the colors. So that is how you would add some texture to your images or your SVG files or your PNG files. The most important thing is just to make sure that you do not have a background. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If I wanted to copy these over here, I would just go like this and select both of them by pressing Command, and then I would Command E to combine them, rename it, and then I would copy this and move it over. And that's it. So I hope this video was pretty helpful for you guys. I know I learned something with the first example that I showed you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Have a great weekend, guys.